Sophie and Toffee. Corpse Bride Coffin Box. Let's make Emily's coffin as a trinket box.
What does that wispy little brat have that you don't have, though?
She can't hold a candle to the beauty of your smile.
How about a pulse?
Overrated by a mile.
Overfat.
You can color your mold before pouring with mica pigments or paints.
And that silly little creature isn't wearing his ring.
And she doesn't play piano
Or dance.
Use a Q-tip or brush to apply the mica where you want the color.
Who cares?
Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown. If only he could see how special you can be.
If he only knew the you that we know. If I touch a burning candle, I can feel no pain. If you cut me with
You can use a moist Q-tip to remove any mica powder.
and I know our heart is beating.
Pour the colored epoxy resin of your choice in the mold. We use 1:1.
I feel. Try and tell me it's not real. And it seems that I still have a tear to share.
The sole redeeming feature from that little creature is that she's alive.
Overrated!
Overblown.
Everybody knows that's just a temporary state, which is cured very quickly when we meet our fate.
Who cares?
Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown.
If only he could see how special you can be.
If he only knew the you that we know. If I touch a burning candle, I can feel no pain.
Color the lid the same way, filling in each color. You can also paint the resin after the mold is cast, but you will need to seal in your paint with a clear coat.
Try and tell me it's not real. I know that I am dead, yet it seems that I still have some tears to shed.
A damp Q-tip as you go is great for spills or loose powder.
Hit it, boys. Hey, give me a listen. You corpses of cheer, least those of you who still got an ear. I'll tell you a story, make a skeleton cry of our own jubiliciously lovely corpse bride.
Fill the liquid with the epoxy of your choice.
For miles around, when a mysterious stranger came into town. He was plenty good looking, but down on his cash.
Once completely cured, demold.
Hard and fast when her daddy said no. She just couldn't cope, so our lovers came up with a plan to elope. Oh, that's it. Ah, okay. Oh yeah. Come on, boys, pick it up. Yeah. Like it. Okay, Chauncey, take it. Yeah. Oh. Yes,
Fill in the detail lines by loading the lines with paint, and wipe away the rest on the surface with a dry paper towel.
Yeah, so they conjured up a plan to meet late at night. It turned out a soul kept the whole thing tight. Now her mother's wedding dress fit like a glove. You don't need much when you're really in love, except for a few things, or so I'm told, like the family jewels and a satchel of gold. Then next to the graveyard by the old oak tree, on a dark foggy night at 2:45, she was ready to go, but where was he? And then she waited. There in the shadows was it the man? And then a little heartbeat so loud. And then baby, everything went black. Now when she opened her eyes, she was dead as dust. Jewels were missing and her heart was bust. So she made a vow lying under that tree that she'd wait for her true love to come set her free. Always waiting for someone to ask for her hand. Then out of the blue comes this groovy young man who vows forever to be by her side. And that's the story of our God.
Let the paint dry and you're done.
Little Brett, have that you don't have done.
She can't hold a candle to the beauty of your smile.
How about a pulse?
Overrated by a mile.
Overvalued.
Overblown.
If he only knew the you that we know. And that silly little creature isn't wearing his ring.
And she doesn't play piano
Or dance.
or sing.
No, she doesn't compare.
But she still breathes air.
Who cares?
Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown. If only he could see how special you can be.
If he only knew the you that we